Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on that device. So let's just first open the screen where you want to add a widget. For example, I'll go with the new one, and here just to add some widgets you should hold for a while the screen, and after that you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once, and after that you will see here different application with the widgets which you can add to your device home screen. For example, we can see here that the clock app have 3 different type of the widgets here, or just the calendar have only 2. So for example, to add the calendar, month view, or just schedule, we should hold for a while this widget, and after that just hold it and drag it, for example, here. Then click here to done, and to save or to change the size we should hold for a while, and we can after that make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move this widget here on the screen, just hold it and drag it, and we can also create a new screen with a widget. That's not a problem. To remove it, hold for a while and tap to remove, then just click to remove again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.